There's one particular quality women often notice very quickly in older men, and it has nothing to do with an expensive watch, a luxury car, or even those few grey hairs. If you still believe that a man's attractiveness is entirely dependent on his financial success, you may be overlooking something much more important. In the next few minutes, we'll explore 3 qualities that naturally attract women, and interestingly, these qualities aren't directly connected to age. They come from something much deeper: life experience, maturity, and wisdom, all developed through facing challenges and learning from different experiences. By the end of this video, we'll uncover the hidden factor that allows some men to leave such a powerful, lasting, and unforgettable impression. Before we begin, I'd like to sincerely thank everyone who continues to support this channel. Because of your support, we're able to keep creating and providing this type of content. If you'd like to become part of our community, you'll find the link in the description. Members receive access to exclusive materials, early access to content, and releases that aren't available to the general public. Now let's begin. There's a common stereotype that older men can attract younger women only through money, expensive restaurants, high social status, or other visible signs of success. But if you carefully observe women's behavior, paying attention not only to what they say, but also to how they react, the reality becomes much more complicated. During the first few minutes of any interaction, a woman generally pays less attention to a man's physical appearance and more attention to the inner impact and impression he creates. And this is where the most interesting part begins. This quality cannot be purchased with money, and it cannot simply be copied or artificially created. It comes from how a person sees himself, his journey through life, his emotional maturity, and his level of self-awareness. Older men often possess an advantage in this area, and it's not simply because of the number of years they have lived. Life has taught them lessons that cannot be learned from books or advice alone. Today, we'll focus on 3 essential qualities, 3 characteristics women can often sense almost from the very first moment, and which frequently create a stronger and more lasting attraction than physical appearance or material accomplishments. The first quality has absolutely nothing to do with financial status. In fact, many women can sense it before they are even able to explain it with words. It's a calm but powerful presence, a form of inner confidence that doesn't seek unnecessary attention, yet remains clearly noticeable. Men who have experienced major challenges in their lives and learned from those experiences often develop an impressive level of calmness and strong inner balance. The ability to stay composed when things don't go according to plan can often make the strongest impression. So, how does this appear in everyday life? Imagine a small mistake, an embarrassing moment, or an unexpected problem that creates a certain amount of stress. A younger man might respond quickly and emotionally, trying to prove himself or fix everything immediately. Ironically, this type of reaction often increases the pressure and makes the situation even more complicated. A man with greater life experience, however, will usually take a different approach. It's not that he doesn't care about what's happening. Rather, he has already faced much greater challenges in the past. Instead of reacting impulsively, he pauses, stays calm, and then begins looking for a rational solution. He also doesn't allow minor problems to develop into major crises. Sometimes, this simple action by itself is enough to communicate something important without saying very much. It demonstrates self-confidence, self-control, and inner stability. And this is exactly one of the qualities women often notice, not through complicated logical analysis, but through intuition. They sense that they are dealing with a man who possesses genuine emotional balance. When we look more closely, we discover that some men gradually develop this quality over the years, while others never fully manage to cultivate it. Emotional stability isn't something you're simply born with. It's a skill that develops through life experiences, self-reflection, and ongoing self-improvement. In psychology, this is often referred to as emotional regulation, which is the ability to respond consciously to events instead of simply reacting on impulse. The difference might appear small in the beginning, but its effect is enormous. An impulsive reaction means allowing your emotions to immediately control your behavior. A conscious response starts with recognizing what you're feeling, then evaluating the situation, and finally deciding on the most appropriate way to respond. This small but important distinction influences Olmi.